Hi guys, and welcome back to
Homeschooled. Atura. I'm Nasha.
and I'm Mummy.
Mommy, why are you dancing like that again? Seriously, the second video.
Because I think that's the only dance move I have. Anyway, today we are continuing with our numbers, but today Anasha is going to teach us how to make number 10. But before she tells us how to do that, we want to introduce you to our friend called Mr. 10. Anasha is now going to tell us a story.
One day there was one was playing with the ball, but then ended up he was kicking the ball too high and then it went up the tree. So he was jumping and jumping. He couldn't reach anything. And then he called his friend number 9. And then number 9 asked him to climb up and then ball. And what is 9 plus 1? It's 10. Great job, guys. And then he got his ball and he was playing happily ever after.
That was a very nice story, Anasha. What did we learn from that story, Takudza?
Learned about number 1 kicked his ball up a tree and then he called his friend number 9.
Wow.
Then they connected together and then it came up to 10 and then they got the ball and then they went back to the usual side and then he was happy.
Oh, wow. That's a nice lesson, Nasha. Thank you so much for sharing that. Now, to move on to making 10. So, Anashe, if you had a number 5 and you want to make number 10 and you need one more number, what number is that going to be?
Let's think. Another 5.
5. So what did we learn from here?
We learned that 5 plus 5 equals to 10.
I think that was too easy, Anashe. Let me make a more difficult one for you. You have the number 6. You want to make the number 10. Give me one number that's going to give you add up to 10.
Okay, maybe Mr. 4 can come out.
Wow.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. 4.
That's so funny. So what did we learn from here?
That 4 plus 6 equals 10.
Wow, well done, Anasha. I still think this is way too easy for you.
Do you think, friends?
What do you think, Chakudza?
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, let's make it a bit harder. Make Mr. 10 lie on his back. Now, Anashe, I'm going to give you a number 7. How many more blocks do you need to make 10?
Why not we invite Mr. 3?
Mr. 3!
Hi guys, I'm Mr. 3.
So, what did we learn from this?
7 plus 3 equals 10.
Oh, Anasha, you're just too good at this. Let me try and step it up a notch and give you a much harder one. You still have number 10. I give you number 3. And I want you to give me 3 more numbers that will add up to 10.
Oh no, guys, this is so tricky. What must I do? Maybe we will call in number 3 again. Hi guys, I'm number 3. Maybe we will
How many do we have left now? How many do we have here?
Now 6.
We've got 6. So how many more do we need?
So let's call in Mrs. 2.
Mrs. 2.
Hi guys, I am Mrs. 2. And maybe Mrs. 2 again. Hi guys, I'm Mrs. 2 twin.
So, what did we learn from this?
2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 equals 10.
Sure, Nashe, you're so good. Let's try one more question. You have the number 10. I've given you the number 2, and I want 4 more numbers to make 10. What are you going to give me?
2 and maybe 2 again. Oh no, I forgot to introduce 2. So this is Mrs. 2, and that is Mrs. 2, and that is Mrs. 2 again.
Oh, we were so rude. We just quickly put them in, and we didn't even say hello. Hello, Mrs. Twos.
Hi.
But how many twos do we have so far?
We have 3.
And how much does that give us so far?
6.
6. And do we have enough for 10 yet?
No.
How many more do we need now?
Let's see. Friends, can you guess the answer? Oh, let's call her Mrs. 2 and 2.
2
Hi
and...
guys, I'm Mrs. 2. Hi guys, I'm Mrs. 2's sister.
So, what did we learn from this one?
We learned that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10.
Equals 10. What did we also learn here? How many twos are there here?
We have 5 2s.
So, what does that mean? The next time we're going to do something even more difficult when we talk about multiplication. Can you say multiplication, Anashe?
Multiplication.
Oh boy. Guys, I
Guys,
think
I
we're going to
can't say
have to
that.
do it at the next YouTube video. See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notifications. That's why you can know where every video is. Tell us in the comments down below if you want us to make a part 3. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.